Hello everybody, today in front of us we have this EarFun Air Pro earbuds, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can connect and pair them with any Windows run laptop or personal computer that supports the Bluetooth. So first what you gotta do is open up the earbuds themselves. Next, in order to pair them with your Windows run system, you gotta go for this Windows icon, tap on it. Here go for the settings, or if the settings shortcut is not present here, just use the search in order to find it. So we'll go into the settings. On the left part of your screen you'll see the Bluetooth and devices category. Go for it. Make sure that the Bluetooth switch is on. I'll enable mine right now. As you can see, it's on now. And all that it's left to do is to take your EarFun Air Pro earbuds, tap and hold on this button until the moment that this indicator starts blinking. As you can see right here, it ultimately means that it has successfully entered the pairing mode. Tap on this enter device, Bluetooth, and wait for the Windows to find our earbuds. As you can see, we have successfully found them. Tap on the EarFun Air Pro earbuds, and as you can see right now in here, it says that our headphones have been successfully connected. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!